Hello, my name is KJSechrist, and this is for Introduction to School Administration. The reason I'm using both my first names is because I actually go by Joe, but everything that I will post will be listed as Carl. This is my amazing wife of 28 years, Brenda, and together we have 4 amazing children, Tanner, Emily, Abby, and Millie, and currently Tanner and Emily are both teachers. Abby is a sophomore at Tabor, and Millie is a senior in Hillsboro, at Hillsboro High School, where we live. So this is a map of Kansas, and you can see that the top arrow points at Hillsboro. The bottom arrow actually points at Wichita, which is where I work. And I've been the counselor at Allison Traditional Magnet Middle School there for the past 20 years. We have 525 students. Some of my other extracurricular duties include coaching. I coach junior high girls basketball and track. I have lunch duty every day, and not associated really with Allison, but during the summer I teach driver's ed at Heston High School. My hobbies or interests are that I officiate football. I do both college and high school. Currently do KCAC games and JUCO games. I'm also a huge Chiefs fan, and this is a picture in the lower left-hand corner of us at the AFC Championship game where the Chiefs lost to the Patriots. So hopefully we can do a little bit better next year. My experience with leadership is that I've been a head coach for 25 years. I'm the leader, or the white hat, on my college football crew. I manage the pool in Hillsboro during the summer. I teach a parenting class with my wife. I've been a Sunday school teacher in the past. I'm currently a school board member in Hillsboro. I'm on the Avid site team, and I'm also the BASE leader at Allison. And BASE stands for Better Academics and Social Excellence. It was a program started this past year to encourage kids to continue to take upper level academic classes and also to behave in the classroom, to kind of be the example. So those are some of the experiences I have with leadership. Why do I want to be a building leader? Well, I've found that through some of those things that I do enjoy being in charge. I want to help students succeed. I think after 20 years of being a counselor, I've seen a lot, and I think I have a lot to offer with a lot of different experiences. And I'm ready for a new challenge. I have a decade before I can retire, and so I'm ready for a new challenge and kind of see where that leads me. So I appreciate you watching my video, and I look forward to getting to know you guys throughout the course. Have a good day.